Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can. Organic chemistry can look scary, but once you see the patterns, it becomes one of the easiest topics to score marks in. In this video, we'll cover hydrocarbons, functional groups, reactions, polymers, and organic tests, everything you need for exams. Let's get started. Organic chemistry is the chemistry of carbon compounds, especially hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Most organic compounds form homologous series, meaning they share, firstly, the same functional group. Secondly, similar chemical properties. And thirdly, a gradual change in physical properties. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons, they only contain single carbon-carbon bonds. Their general formula is as follows. Their properties are as follows. They are relatively unreactive. They burn an oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. A typical reaction would be as follows, in this case combustion. Next are alkenes. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons, they contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Their general formula is as follows. Their key reactions include addition reactions compared with alkanes. Simple alkene molecules, monomers, like ethene, join to form a large, complex molecule, a polymer. The test for alkenes is as follows. Bromine water turns from orange to colorless. Isomers are compounds with the same molecular formula but different structures. Types you need to know are as follows. First, structural isomers. Secondly, chain isomerism. Thirdly, functional group isomerism. Isomerism explains why substances with the same formula can have different properties. A functional group determines how a compound reacts. Key groups for IGCSE are as follows. Alcohols. Carboxylic acids. Halogenoalkanes, which are halogens attached to carbon. Esters, these are fruity-smelling compounds. Each group has its own reactions and tests. There are several reactions of organic compounds that you need to be aware of. Firstly, combustion. All hydrocarbons burn an oxygen. Secondly, substitution, in the case alkanes and halogenoalkanes. For example, chlorine replaces hydrogen. This occurs in UV light. Thirdly, addition, in the case of alkenes. This is where the double bond opens up, for example. Next, esterification. For example, alcohol plus a carboxylic acid produces ester plus water. This produces a sweet-smelling esters, used in perfumes and food flavorings. Lastly, polymerisation. Many alkene molecules join to form polymers like polyethylene. Members of a homologous series have the same functional group. Differs by 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen atoms. Show gradual changes in boiling point. There are a few tests you must know. Firstly, bromine water, which indicates an alkene present. Secondly, acid plus carbonate produces carbon dioxide gas. Thirdly, oxidation of alcohols, which produces a color change. Lastly, pH tests, which are for acids and bases. These tests are easy marks if you learn them. Here are some general exam tips. Learn general formulae. Practice drawing displayed and skeletal structures. Memorize key reactions. Know functional group tests. Watch for isomer questions. And that's organic chemistry. Once you know the patterns, it all fits together. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment what topic you want next. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.